Lavandula dentata, or lavender. This stunning lavender varietal is known in Latin as Lavandula dentata, or toothed lavender. Lavandula is derived from the Latin word lavare, meaning to wash. The Romans made a habit of perfuming their baths with lavender, and oil from the leaves and flowers is still harvested for use in aromatherapy and to scent cosmetic creams. Lean on in to enjoy its fragrance in midsummer and autumn. The gray-green, finely toothed, fragrant leaves and short spikes of lavender mauve that can grow up to 1 meter in all directions give it the second part of its name, dentata or toothed. Despite its spiky, toothed appearance, flowers of this species are very attractive to bees, making it a useful addition to wildlife-friendly gardens and for pollinating edible crops. This spiky lavender is interpreted by drag queen Shavorn Arborealis. Campered at a tent pole with a cheeky tongue as slick as oil, this queen brings the ridiculous to life. Star of stage, silver screen, and international television, from the VIX Rocky Horror Shadowcast to Shortland Street, House of Drag, and more, she is a consummate showgirl and cast member of New Zealand's longest-running drag dinner, Kalutsi Cabaret. There's more than just a sparkle in her eye. She dazzles.